Hey, it's Duncan and Hannah, and we're here to show you how estrogen and birth control affect cell communication. Estrogen is one of the main sex hormones in females, but both males and females have it. It's produced mainly by the ovaries, and small amounts are excreted by adipose tissue and the liver. Estrogen has many functions and therefore many target tissues, such as bone cells, skin cells, and nervous tissue. In order for estrogen to begin affecting target tissues, it must first pass through the cell's plasma membrane. Within the cell, it binds to intercellular receptor proteins, which then move into the nucleus and bind to specific genes on the cell's DNA. This bound protein then acts as a transcription factor to stimulate the transcription of the gene into mRNA. Then the mRNA is used by ribosomes within the cell to produce specific proteins. Estrogen affects the brain and nervous system in a few ways. Firstly, it helps the body maintain a consistent temperature. Estrogen also helps to delay memory loss, so less memory loss means more ideas. Perhaps the most well-known effect of estrogen on the nervous system is how it prepares the body for sexual maturity and reproduction. In addition to the nervous system, estrogen also affects the reproductive system. Estrogen and progesterone, another hormone, regulate a female's menstrual cycle. In the middle of the cycle, estrogen levels peak and an egg leaves the ovary. It hangs out in the fallopian tube for a few days before it exits the body. Estrogen levels are at the lowest they'll be for the whole cycle, and menstruation begins. So here's a graph of estrogen levels throughout the menstrual cycle. As you can see, it peaks during ovulation and dips during menstruation. However, on hormonal pill-form birth control, the body gets doses of a synthetic estrogen, which keeps estrogen levels in the body steady, so there's no ovulation or menstruation. This causes estrogen communication with target cells in the reproductive system to decrease. Since there is no ovulation, there is very little chance of pregnancy.
Yeah.